Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download the SpaCy library for your Python in Visual Studio's code. So if you don't know about the SpaCy library, then it is an open source Python library which is used for advanced natural language processing, or the NLP. It is designed for production use and help build applications that process and understand large volumes of text. It excels in tasks like part of speech tagging, name entity recognition, dependency parsing, and text classification. So let's install this particular library. So in order to install this library, you need to head on to the terminal of your Visual Studio's code and type in the following command, which is pip install SpaCy. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button and wait for the initialization process to begin. It includes downloading and collection of packages, and once that has been done, it will try to install it into our system. So let's wait for the same. And here you can see that after the successful installation into a system, you will see this message which says successfully installed SpaCy version 3.8.4 along with other prerequisite libraries and packages. So now let's verify if the installation has really been successful into a system or not. So in order to do this, you need to type in the following command in the new line of your terminal, which is pip show SpaCy. Once you have typed in, simply hit the enter button, and here you can see that it has retrieved me with the version number as well as the location of this particular package where it is installed. So that confirms that this library has been installed into our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.